Um,
Okay, just tell me what's going on आजकल. Just tell me.
what's going on, मतलब?
What's going on with you? What's happening?
You.
वो तो पिछले 9 साल से हो रहा है बाबा. कुछ नया बताओ.
Do you
कुछ
want me to have a
अफेयर
नया
कुछ
one?
अफेयर चल रहा है तो बताओ.
Do you want me to have a नया one?
करके देखो फिर देखते हैं.
Is that a challenge?
लापता लेडा जो जाएगा देख लेना. ना भी मत ये सोचना भी मत जो आप ये सोच रहे हो ना
ये कैसी
गुड़गांव से बाहर
झूठ
जाने
की
का
धमकियां हैं?
उस मर्द के साथ.
What is this? Hypothesis पे hypothesis.
I'm not liking this start.
You were the one who started it. You are the one who's implying everything.
I'm disappointed.
Great.
लेकिन on that note, let's start the podcast. This is
Why would you want to start on the note of a disappointment? God, he's mad.
नमस्कार दोस्तों.
नमस्कार.
स्वागत है हमारे पॉडकास्ट. क्या नाम है?
Not a therapy session में.
Not a therapy session because this is not a therapy session.
Wow, thanks for explaining, Bitu.
But we are still here to help. और मेरा नाम है योगी और ये जो खूबसूरत इंसान है ये मेरा पिछले 9 साल से जो फूल सखा है. ही इज़ कबीर and together we will try and answer some questions जो हमारे DM में आए हैं.
Yeah, because see, growing up gay in India, हमारे पास सवाल ज़्यादा थे और जवाब कम. So हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना मिलके हम
क्यों ना बाकियों के भी सवाल ले ले और like overdose होगा.
No, let's try and uncomplicate क्योंकि I think एक साथ रहेंगे तो हम क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Yes. So together हम लोग दुनिया को जीत लेंगे.
Yes.
One DM at a time.
Okay, so the first message is
बताइए.
from this person called Shamim. So a 17-year-old says मैं एक मुस्लिम फैमिली को बिलोंग करता हूँ जहाँ सेम सेक्स मैरिज या लव हराम माना जाता है. But I personally do not believe in this ideology. I am a single child और ये सोचकर डर लगता है कि अगर उन्हें पता चल गया तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन होगा. क्या वो मुझे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे या नहीं. ये सब सोच कर मैं अपने पढ़ाई पर ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ. मैं नीट एस्पिरेंट हूँ. समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करूँ. क्या लगता है बेटू?
दुविधा.
So see, being from a conservative minority.
हाँ मतलब you know that I also come from a very conservative religious family. In fact family के influence से ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि when I was growing up घर पे जो भी हवन होते थे मैं उनमें आहुति डालता था ये सोचते हुए मन में कि जो भी मेरे मन में गलत ख्याल चल रहे हैं वो आहुति डालने पे वो खत्म हो जाएंगे.
And you mean गलत ख्याल meaning you
this attraction
and your
towards men
same
boys
sex.
yeah so but वो होता नहीं था.
So you were trying
And
to pray away the gay.
correct. And वो होता नहीं था. I used to get disappointed in God कि तुम मतलब कुछ कर क्यों नहीं रहे हो. अगर ये प्रॉब्लम हुई है यहाँ पे अगर कुछ फायरिंग में गलत हो गया है तो ठीक कर दो. बट वो होता नहीं था ठीक. बिकॉज नाउ आई रियलाइज कि यार जब कुछ गलत है ही नहीं तो ठीक क्या करेंगे. बट उस टाइम पे बहुत बहुत प्रॉब्लमैटिक लगा करता था कि I want to believe in my religion, but then I also don't find any concrete examples जो मुझे सपोर्ट करे मेरी आइडेंटिटी
which
को.
even skews it towards a positive light.
बहुत exactly बहुत
references
ढूंढना
हैं.
पड़ता है. And then you find a शिखंडी in Hinduism to back something, some reference to homosexuality या third gender basically. So for me I think उस समय भी जो मैंने किया था I remember I took a step back एंड आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ये मैं तो कुछ फिक्स नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, भगवान को कहाँ से फिक्स करूँगा, मेरे रिलीजन को कैसे मैं फिक्स करूँगा. द ओनली थिंग दैट्स इन माई कंट्रोल इज माई ओन एक्शंस. तो मैंने क्या किया, ओके मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करी, आई मूव्ड टू बॉम्बे. ठीक है, सो देयर वाज दिस, एटलीस्ट मुझे पता था कि ये मेरे कंट्रोल में है. मेरी फैमिली कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी व्हेन आई कम आउट, हाउ will I be able to pursue my religion after like coming out? ये बहुत बड़े क्वेश्चंस थे और मुझे लगा कि वो उस समय उनका जवाब देना सही नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड.
आई थिंक बिटू ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है दैट while you were up against your religion, आपने कोशिश की, you had the courage to step out of your comfort zone and
Also the privilege.
and get out of it. But yes, having said that, you did have the privilege to be able to do that, right? आपके पास opportunity थी कि आप अपने इकोसिस्टम से बाहर निकलकर एक नई जगह जाकर एक ऐसे शहर में जाकर, फॉर इंस्टेंस, जहाँ पर एक्सेप्टेंस रिलेटिवली ज़्यादा है, एंड वो आपको एनीवे एक नया मौका दे रहा है, एक नई जिंदगी जीने का, एक नई पहचान बनाने का. सो यू हैड ऑल ऑफ दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी, बट आई डोंट थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी.
But what they have is their वो again control over their actions ना.
But okay, coming back
ये
to
नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है जहाँ तक मुझे समझ में आया है. शमीम, so शमीम, you know what to do. तुम्हें अपनी पढ़ाई पे फोकस करना है.
So you know what, while you're saying that I understand, but I think शमीम के साथ में एक और लेयर मुझे जो दिख रही है वो ये है that he happens to be a single child. And उसको ये guilt भी है. But I think more importantly, what I actually want to pick from what he has sent and his message, that is कि वो ये सोच रहा है कि वो अगर बताएगा तो क्या होगा. So this entire thing is actually based on a hypothesis right now, which hasn't happened. So if it hasn't happened, I don't think one should be worried about this, Shamim, especially when you have various other things to handle, which are actually quite real for you at the moment, which is your career, which is your studies, which is your preparation for the competitive exam that you're pursuing. So I think, थोड़ा सा reality versus imagination के बीच में हमें reality चुनना है. I think that's the more practical way, I think, to be going about it.
Yes.
See, because while having said that, see, no one is saying that it's going to be easier, but all I want to say is that this will probably equip you better to deal with situation going forward. You know, being from a Muslim family, I cannot understand how difficult it is, but I can only imagine. But honestly, it's not easy for any parent to be able to deal with it.
You're
Especially
also a single
considering,
child, Baba. A single male child.
Yeah, I'm like a single son after two daughters, so I came with my own guilt in that regard. I did have that challenge. मैं गिल्ट में ही मर गया था आधी से ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी की. मैं बोलूँ भी कैसे ये, और मैं सोच भी कैसे सकता हूँ. इनफैक्ट बोलना तो छोड़ो, मैं सोच भी कैसे सकता हूँ इसके बारे में. आई थिंक दैट वाज माय इंटरनल स्ट्रगल व्हिच has scarred me in a lot of ways, but I'm trying to deal with it one day at a time. And I think the best possible way to be doing that is to see what's right in front of you and going ahead with that rather than thinking about what can happen. Because होने को तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can actually also be possible that it can actually also be a possibility that your parents might just accept you. You don't know.
हाँ, लेकिन वो ये ना, जब उस ब्रिज पे पहुंचोगे तब उसको क्रॉस करना.
Wow, what a literal Hindi translation of we'll cross the bridge once we reach. Yeah.
And बाकी रही बात रिलीजन की, सो कबीर और मैंने इसी साल 4 धाम करे हैं. ठीक है,
With my mother,
which is like a very big deal in Hinduism. तो क्या हम कम गए हो गए? नो. सेक्सुअलिटी का आपके रिलीजन से कोई लेना देना होना नहीं चाहिए. व्हाट यू बिलीव इन, इफ if you are okay with your sexuality and if you are okay with whatever you believe in, जिस भी religion में आप या जिस भी भगवान खुदा में आप believe करते हो, ये clash कभी नहीं हो सकते. जो भी ऊपर that the supreme power is there, उसी ने हमको बनाया, right? So how can we be unnatural and not be part of something as big and as vast as a religion? So yeah, I think focus करो अपने कर्म पे और
I don't think वैसे बिल्कुल आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गए क्योंकि शमीम ने तो क्लियरली बोला था कि he does not really fall in line with that ideology.
he doesn't believe in.
So
Yeah,
it's
but I'm
not
saying even if you
I
do,
don't think his concern was that as much. I think his concern was more towards his parents being religious and not him really not aligning with this religion. So I think he is sorted on that front. But I like how you wanted to broaden the conversation
ठीक है,
and make it more
तो शमीम
inclusive.
तो फिर शमीम नीट मिक्स मत करो. नीट पे ध्यान दो.
दूसरा नीट कहाँ से आ गया?
मैं कह रहा हूँ नीट पे ध्यान दो. इसके अंदर मिक्स मत करो बाकी चीजों को.
Okay. Wow, that was deep. On neat.
That's what he said.
So Shameem, that was not your therapy session. Hope that helped.
Okay, so अगला मैसेज जो है वो आया है. इन्होंने अपना असली नाम नहीं लिखा है. He's calling himself Adgie.
Actually, we don't know whether that's real or not.
AD space GIE. अब कैसे प्रोनाउंस करो इसको मैं?
So you just made it an unreal name just because you don't know how to pronounce it?
नहीं, इसने बोला था भाई. इसका असली नाम कुछ और है.
अच्छा, फिर
लेकिन इसने ये नाम क्यों चूज किया है? I think वो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है जिसके बारे में हमें बात करनी चाहिए. But let's talk about his message first.
Why is that a problem? That's not a problem at all.
So इसको AG बोलते हैं, ठीक है?
हाँ,
AG. So AG is 27, a doctor from Nepal.
By the way, okay, let me just reiterate this, that our conversations have reached across the border.
International. Sundar.
I don't think Nepal also feels that they're very different from India.
है तो international ही ना.
Yeah, actually, but it's a different country, of course.
So he's a doctor.
Yes, let us be proud of that as well.
हम शुरू करें प्लीज.
Yes, please.
या आप नेपाल पहुंच जाओगे बातें करते करते.
यार मुझे जाना है नेपाल.
Okay, हम लेके जाएंगे आपको. So AG is 27, a doctor from Nepal. He says that I'm struggling to find a long-term partner. Grindr and Tinder mostly have people looking for hookups, and the few I meet at LGBTQA plus events either aren't my type or aren't interested. I feel so lonely that I have even started crushing on my straight best friend, knowing it'll only lead to heartbreak. सब तो जानता ही है. लगता है कि मुझे कोई लवर या हस्बैंड नहीं मिल पाएगा और मैं फॉरएवर सिंगल ही रह जाऊंगा. गे वर्ल्ड में डेटिंग ऑप्शंस इतने लिमिटेड क्यों हैं? सबको बस हुकअप चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे तो लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढना है. क्या करें बताओ बब्बा.
पहली बात तो मुझे ये समझ में आई है कि
नेपाल इंडिया में नहीं है.
Shut up. No, that he's from Nepal, but he's in India. He could also be in India. Why are we assuming that he's from Nepal and in Nepal as he's sending this message?
He's a doctor from Nepal, उसने बोला है भाई. तो how does it matter?
Okay, fine.
है?
No, I just thought कि वो
ये ज्योग्राफी से इसकी प्रॉब्लम का क्या लेना देना है?
I don't know. वो मैं sorry मेरे माइंड में वो था, वो मैं करेक्ट करना चाह रहा था. But anyway, sorry. Coming back to his point, his question कि वो करे क्या?
सोनू निगम की डेब्यू फिल्म.
I love in Nepal. Shut up. यार ये क्या करता है?
Sorry. हाँ बोलो.
You know, I quite relate to it. It's quite a hard relate there because I was at similar crossroads at one point in time in my life, right? When I came out to myself, I was very, very adamant कि because मेरे previous relationships जो कि लड़कियों के साथ थे उस वक्त they happened organically, तो मैंने एक sort of प्रण ले लिया था कि अगर वो मेरे organically relationships हो सकते हैं तो ये भी वैसे ही होने चाहिए because if I'm claiming this to be as normal as anything else, then it should also happen for me in exactly the same way how it happened for me. Having said that, I'm not averse to the use of that. मेरी situation उस वक्त मुझे नहीं allow कर रही थी क्योंकि मैं एक RJ था. I was in Indore, and things would have caught on like wildfire. So I didn't want to get into that. It was problematic for me. Plus, I was not out to a lot of people there. So I didn't want this to spread anyway. So, all those things kept in mind, I did choose to do that. Having said that, in your case, I wouldn't really judge. I know a lot of people do say कि उधर hookups ही होते हैं या whatever. यार ये तो we all know it, but does not mean that connections do not happen. What if, and who says that you cannot really fall in love with someone who you just had a hookup with, or that can't be the beginning of a beautiful relationship? So I think you are also in a lot of ways judging that, which I wouldn't if I were really in that pursuit of love, because at the end of it, this person will just make it worth your while.
I agree with you, Baba. पता है मतलब जब when I was in Bombay, I moved to Bombay, and मैंने पहली बार Grindr डाउनलोड किया था ना, I was meeting so many people on that app, and I remember कि मैं सबको ये बोलता था कि I am looking for love. Like मुझे चाहिए वो दिल तो पागल है का
सच्चा प्यार,
एक दूजे के वास्ते, वो वाला प्यार चाहिए मुझे. And everyone used to laugh at me and they were like कि ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता, नहीं मिलेगा. And I was very clear कि मुझे तो यही चाहिए. And eventually, of course, I met so many amazing people, but it did not work out with them. And reason is this, because you were waiting end of the tunnel जो था ये हाँ ये था ये कालिक पुती हुई थी मेरी टनल पे. नहीं, light at the end of the tunnel. So basically, don't get disheartened. And I know that's easier said than done. जितने लोगों से आप मिलते हो उतना ही exhaust हो जाते हो. It's very exhausting to date
on these apps.
On these apps and
try to find
exactly. तो बहुत वो होता है, but ultimately या तो अब you don't want to go to these events जो queer community के events होते हैं, आप वहाँ पे भी नहीं जाना चाहते हो, apps पे नहीं जाओगे, then how else will someone meet you? Maybe if you can take our example कि हम लोग तो ऑफिस में मिले, but then are you out at your workplace? जितने ज़्यादा लोगों को आपके बारे में पता होगा उसके थ्रू और लोगों को आपके बारे में पता चलेगा, एंड द चांसेस विल इवेंचुअली वो बढ़ेंगे. सो आपको अपने चांसेस बढ़ाने हैं तो यू विल हैव टू गो ऑन दीज एप्स एंड यू हैव टू मीट पीपल at these events.
Listen, I know. See, listen, I understand that this yogi, he is a big time advocate of coming out, while I'm of the opinion that it's okay also for you to not come out. So you don't have to really be out in the office or in your circle. But all you have to do is keep yourself a little more alert. If you are on the lookout like that, you will have to keep suspecting. And एक तो पता है मुझे यार, हमारे साथ तो एक और बड़ी problem होती है that we don't know if the other person is also of the same orientation. एक point जो आपने especially बोला कि you are so exhausted that you are somewhere falling in love with your best friend who happens to be straight, and if you're very sure of that, why would you want to go down that road? I think your motivation towards going towards him isn't the best, because you're saying that you're so exhausted, so you will just try and fix yourself with the first face that's nice to you in that way. I don't think that's fair on you or him, or in fact the search for your love. So I think तीनों ही लिहाज से ये एक अच्छी बात नहीं होगी. Yeah, don't do that. I wouldn't recommend that.
Yeah, and have faith in the bigger picture. Eventually कोई ना कोई, if you really want this to happen, this will happen. If you really want योर स्ट्रेट मेल फ्रेंड, उसके साथ कुछ होना, इफ़ यू रियली वांट दैट, कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर होगा, चाहे वो अब बुरा हो या अच्छा हो. एंड इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू फाइंड समवन हु इज़ रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन यू, तो वो भी हो सकता है. यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप
At it.
एट इट.
Yeah, keep at it. Keep at it with your faith, and yeah, let me pray for you as well.
And
I'm a
here-
big believer of prayers, so yeah, I'll pray for you.
लव इन नेपाल पॉसिबल है.
I don't know why would he say that, but he's not in Nepal. I hope this helped. Halaki, this is not your therapy session, but hope it helped.
So moving on to our last message of the day.
All right, so he says that he's a gay man attracted to men.
Yeah, that's how
Oh.
it works.
Yeah, I mean, okay. वैसा लिखा है so before people start judging me कि मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, it's exactly I'm reading verbatim here. Okay, anyway, पर फैमिली प्रेशर की वजह से 5 साल पहले मैंने शादी कर ली. Oof. I like my wife as a friend, but I have never enjoyed sex with her. I crave love from men and have even developed a cuckold fantasy, but I do not want to cheat on her. Divorce feels impossible because she loves me too, and is economically dependent, and we have a child. Wow. It just keeps getting
Yeah.
more and more complex with each sentence. She knows I'm gay, but thinks it's just a phase. What should I do? I'm feeling very depressed. Oof, that's a heavy one, man.
ककोल्ड क्या होता है?
He wants to be dominated by another man, in this case, in front of his wife.
तो उसकी वाइफ क्या करेगी? मतलब क्या भजिया देगी? वो भजिया और
No,
चाय
he
लेकर
ha-
आएगी?
so he has this fantasy that he will like it more if
या मतलब या
his
समझ में आ
wife
गया,
is
वो
watching.
देखेगी.
Yeah.
तो भाई रायता तो तुमने फैला दिया है, ठीक है. अब लेकिन दुनिया में ऐसा कोई भी रायता नहीं है जिसको आप अपनी बिरयानी के साथ खा ना सको. सो अपने बारे में तो सोचना ही है सबसे पहले. इट्स ग्रेट दैट यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट यू आर नॉट स्ट्रेट. अब वो क्या हो, यू हैव मेंशन दैट यू आर अ गे मैन. ग्रेट, चलो वो क्लैरिटी मिल गई है. अब शादी कर चुके हो, सो यू ऑल्सो हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स योर वाइफ एंड योर चाइल्ड. सो सबसे पहले तो ये फिगर करना पड़ेगा कि जो वाइफ के साथ रिश्ता है, जो रिलेशनशिप है, अब वो भी अलग अलग तरीके के हो सकते हैं. आजकल शादियां सिर्फ एक ही सेम स्टैंडर्ड तरीके से नहीं चलती हैं. देयर आर ओपन मैरिजेस. यू कैन स्टिल बी इन दिस मैरिज एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट आउटसाइड
That's essentially what he
Without-
wants, though.
without cheating on her. That's how open marriages work, right?
Yeah,
If-
but this is clearly not that case, no, Bitu. Usme he says that the
कि
girl
उसको
is in
उसने
love
बोल-
with
हाँ.
him. In fact, is almost in denial in some ways
No, so
because
then-
she feels it's just a phase.
So then it's her problem, na? He has to be open and transparent towards her.
Yeah,
उसको
but
बताए.
open-
No,
सिर्फ
ना-
openness से बात नहीं चलेगी ना. Just because okay, what if he goes and tells, listen, I'm being honest with you.
हाँ.
This is what I want, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this.
हाँ.
But that does not make it any easier for him to deal with it or with the wife. He has to be
It's better
responsible.
than,
you
it's
like
better
you
than
said.
cheating on her. It's 100% better than cheating on her and living that
It's
dual
not
life.
better in any way
Why?
because it still
If-
ruins the household.
Do you think ये household अभी ठीक चल रहा है?
Okay, listen. No, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm of a different opinion here. I feel that you will definitely have to take a step back and realize what you are into already. You have a wife, you have a child, you know that you like this wife of yours, as a friend, so you are also someone who cares for her, so you wouldn't really want her to be hurt, right, in this process. See, while your fantasy, I'm not saying that it's invalid. It's valid to have that, but you also have to understand where you are in this. You have to first help your wife come to terms with it, as her reality, which she does not really feel that she is quite into it. She's almost in denial if she feels that this is a phase. So I think you'll have to do a little more hand holding in that sense. That is where your responsibility is. So I think your first responsibility is towards, if you have accepted yourself and if you want to embrace that identity of yours, then you'll have to come clean with her in this way, and not really कि भाई open relationship का रख लेते हैं and
मैं कह रहा हूँ इवेंचुअली इफ अगर डिवोर्स पॉसिबल नहीं है तो जो आप दिस कैन बी द स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 2 ये हो सकता है दैट यू गेट इनटू एन ओपन रिलेशनशिप ओपन मैरिज एंड वॉट एवर यू डिसाइड जस्ट कंसिडर कि उसके रेपरकशंस तुम्हारी वाइफ और तुम्हारे बच्चे पे क्या होंगे. या जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड एंड you'll be okay.
Yeah, I really hope that you are able to deal with this better, and yeah, we're there if there's anything more that you also want to talk about. But with that being said, this was not your therapy session, and hope this helps.
पिछले एपिसोड में हम लोगों ने नहीं किया, लेकिन आई थिंक अब से हमें शुरू करना चाहिए. इट्स बेसिकली वन रिकमेंडेशन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. तो कर दो रिकमेंड कुछ भी. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, मूवी, सीरीज, इंस्टा अकाउंट. हु आर यू स्टॉकिंग दीस डेज?
I don't know. I'm just talking a lot of these shopping websites that I shouldn't be, and I think it's not. Okay, wait.
Do not recommend these.
Actually, I'm not. No, I don't know. I wasn't even going towards a recommendation there, but I was just about to share something with you that I think मेरे को वो stalk कर रहे हैं. मैं किसी को stalk नहीं कर रहा. मुझे ये algorithm इतना strongly stalk कर रहा है because it keeps showing me these different websites for shopping. And it's a very difficult temptation to
it's a very difficult
control.
time for him, and parcels बस आते ही जा रहे हैं घर पे, आते ही जा रहे हैं.
कोई इतने भी नहीं आते.
So ये recommend कर रहे हैं आपको shopping websites, और मैं बोल
No, मैं recommend नहीं कर रहा. In fact, मैं तो ये सोच रहा हूँ कि one recommendation that I would want to apply in my life is actually a sort of a digital detox. Ironically, हम उसके ऊपर भी बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन yeah, but I want to try and stay. I want to stay away from social media for a bit. At least कोशिश तो मेरे को करनी है, क्योंकि हर समय हमारे हाथ में फ़ोन होता है, and that is something that I am dealing with, and I think that is a recommendation towards you as well. कि at least be mindful कि यार आप अपने आसपास के लोगों से ज़्यादा क्या अपने फ़ोन के साथ वक्त बिता रहे हैं. And if that is the case, then you may want to rethink that. ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गया क्या?
Social media detox. This is their recommendation. मेरी recommendation.
But please हमें झूठ मत करना.
हाँ ज़रूर. अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारने वाले हैं.
Sorry.
जाके ऑर्डर करो कुछ.
We are not toxic.
कुछ करो, मिंत्रा से ऑर्डर करो आप. My recommendation is, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली बुक्स पढ़ना शुरू करा है. तो जो एक बुक मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी है, दैट्स कॉल्ड द पैलेस ऑफ इल्यूजन्स. द्रौपदी की महाभारत हिंदी में. इट्स बाय दिस ऑथर कॉल्ड चित्रा बैनर्जी दिवाकरुणी. करेक्ट इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग हर नेम राइट. इट्स बेसिकली द्रौपदी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से महाभारत. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. द्रौपदी और कर्ण के बीच में क्या इक्वेशन था, उस पे भी लाइट थ्रो करते हैं, which is very interesting.
That's actually quite a tease.
Exactly. And yeah, कुछ है.
Or a spoiler for the people who are going to put this book up.
हाँ, sorry, मतलब. Okay, so if you like this episode and अगर आपको मज़ा आ रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो, हमें भी पता चले, हमें भी थोड़े से मज़े आ जाए।
कमेंट करके बता दो यार
कमेंट,
कि-
लाइक, शेयर एंड फॉलो अस ऑन Spotify और एनी अदर ऑडियो प्लेटफॉर्म जिस पे आप हमें सुन रहे हो। एंड वी आर देयर ऑन Instagram एंड Threads एंड X एंड एवरीवेयर।
या एंड आई नो कि मैंने बोला था सोशल मीडिया डिटॉक्स ले लेना, बट इसके बाद ले लेना प्लीज।
We are called Yogi and Kabir, YOGIANDKABEER। डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक भी छोड़ देंगे, कर लो लाइक, कर लो फॉलो, कर लो शेयर।
And with that, muchas gracias for watching.
तो जो कबीर ने कहा